No, no, no.
I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. Oh, baby, say.
Smoking!
कौन है ये जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा? Who is he?
And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. To you. Come on. Bye-bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nehal!
If there ever was a word for me to describe Nehal, it would be asshole. Just kidding, I don't think I can do this on his birthday. So my word for him would be bhadwa. Because I think he has all the necessary qualities to become one.
Kanjus. Bukkad.
Playboy.
Havda. अरे वाह नहीं चुतिया
Nehal. Okay, I've been asked to describe you in one word. That would be चूतिया. एक नंबर का चूतिया आदमी है तू.
Baby, happy birthday. I frankly don't like Nehal at all, and I'm not going to say anything much. So the video that follows defines our friendship. Here you go.
It's flashback time.
भीगी भीगी यादें भीगी भीगी बातें भीगी भीगी आंखों में कैसी नमी है आहा सपनों का साया पलकों पे आया पल में हंसाया पल में रुलाया फिर भी ये कैसी कमी है आधी जगी आधी आधी सोई आंखें ये तेरी तो लगता है रोई लेकर के नाम हमारा
मैं तो कहता हूँ ये द मेंटली सिक हो चुका है और इसे द साइकाइट्रिस्ट की जरूरत है.
Nihal, Nihal, Nihal. I used to love when Harshal used to do this video. I hope he's not missed this out in this video. It's fun to see someone else annoy you for a change.
Happy birthday! You're 23. Oh my god, how and why? Yes, another year without us spending our birthdays without each other is getting harder year by year. I don't even know what I'm saying. Every year is what I should be saying. Yes, it's been 2 years already and we haven't spent our birthdays together anymore. It's okay, we're growing up and things are getting harder, but you know that I'm always there and we both there for each other. You know, when Srishti troubles you or something else happens or somebody else troubles you or you trouble people, you know, it's always a thing that we have. We always share, we always be together. I'm just gonna send you my best wishes this year because that's all I can do. I wish I could do more and let me come to India. I will do it. I promise.
Hi Nehal, happy birthday. I'll say a few mandatory nice things about you. So you're a really nice, funny guy and I'm glad that we are friends. So you could make me laugh and so could I and we could share our sense of humor and exchange it. Anyways, I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. Again, mandatory things. And I'm a little camera conscious, so I'll just call and tell you about what else I would have probably told you in the video. Anyways, bye.
Happy birthday, Nehal!
Here comes the only word I got for you is bookered. Because no matter how a night starts, I know it would always end with a burger from McDonald's or chips and chocolates from a chemist. But know this, no matter how much you eat, no matter how fat you get, I will always love you, bro. Happy birthday and have a great one, okay?
Happy
birthday.
Nihal.
Hope
You
may
successfully
quit
Pepsi,
junk food
smoking.
and rum.
I can't believe I know you since 5 years for now, I guess. Yeah. Shit, as much as I hate admitting this and I thought it's your birthday so I'll flatter you a little, but I often miss your lame ass pages, man. I don't know why, but it used to crack me up. It was fun having you around, really. Oh wait, except for times when you used to embarrass us with your clumsy behavior and create chaos around, but yeah, otherwise it was fun having you around. Okay, I'm really camera conscious now. So before I start blabbering shit, let me just say a few things on a final note. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Nehal. I hope you have a great and amazing year ahead. And I know that we have not really spoken with each other that often or met each other, but I know that no matter what, we always really stick with each other and continue to have some splendid moments together. And yeah, one more thing. Since I have dedicated this video to you, sparing some precious moments of my time, I hope you call me and remember me more often now. Bye!
Happy birthday! Well, gift. Yes, technically you're supposed to give me a gift because the day before your birthday is Raksha Bandhan and I'm supposed to be your sister. So yeah, thank you. Please send me a gift and then you'll get your gift. Okay? Till then, keep sending me free tickets. Keep sending me gifts, all the merchandise of your movies. Make me win on your Twitter contests. Please do this much for your sister.
हैप्पी बर्थडे निहाल. अल्लाह तुझ पे मेहरबान रहे और तू हम पे. अगले साल दुबई ले चलना दोस्त.
What's up? Happy birthday. I hope you have a good time. Have a beer on me. And I hope you are on time for that also. Cheers. Brother, a very happy birthday all the way from Cappadocia. And I did see a few hot chicks over here, so I thought I'll get one of them for you as a birthday present. But sorry bro, package allowed. I can't carry more than 25 kgs. So bye. Have fun. Cheers. Happy birthday.
And happy birthday. And something that I miss the most is us just being together and just doing nonsense together. That's all I miss, like every single day. And I wish that you guys were here and you were here and we could just, you know, do whatever we love the most. And yeah, just spend time together. God, I miss everything. Us talking about random bullshit till 3 and 4 in the morning, God knows what not, and just laughing at the most awkward situations and the most stupid thing ever and stuff like that. Taking Johnny's case, God, I miss that, and I loved that. Then all your women stories. I know Shrishti is the one in charge of this, but I think she already knows. Whatever, all your jhols and all the nonsense you've done, and all our moments with me, you and Harshal, and me and Niyati, me and Johnny, like you mentioned in the video, like, oh, those are priceless, and I think those are things in the moments which can never come back. Yeah, I miss all of that a lot, and I hope I see you soon. I don't know why you told me that you're coming here in December, and then you canned it for some reason. I don't know what's going on. Please just do something about it, and I hope you actually come here. Please come here. We'll have a good time. For now, it's your 23rd birthday. Have a lovely year. You know I love you, and I'll always miss you. And now before I start crying, I'm going to go, and God bless you, and wish you all the best for everything that you do. And yes, the awkward video is now over. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nehal!
फिर से सुन, एक नंबर का चूतिया आदमी है तू. Apart from that, you've been my love guru since day one. I love you a lot, man. You've had really good times together. Wish करना भूल गया, sorry. Happy birthday to you. And फिर से सुन, एक नंबर का चूतिया आदमी है तू. Cheers. Happy birthday.
He's very hardworking, very professional, has a lot of contacts with girls. I think Shrishti can edit this part out if you don't like it, but I'm putting it anyways. And yeah, so happy birthday, all the best, and work hard and don't be out of touch. So I'm expecting your call after you see this. Have a great birthday. Bye-bye.
S. T.
S.
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 Guess what?
भल्ले के घर पे तू खाता स्नैक, क्यों बेचा तूने तेरा मैक? Relax bro, don't you snap. Eminem का बड़ा फैन तू, you can't rap. चिल्ला मत पोकर स्टार, 20 माले की बिल्डिंग नहीं खड़ी है यार. I'm not sure if you're straight or gay, still I'll say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You've always been here for me. I know we fuss and fight, but I love you with all my might. You're my big brother and there's no other. Happy birthday, my dear brother.
Hi Nehal! Happy birthday, happy 23rd birthday. I wish you all the best of luck for the coming years, and I've seen you in your Hrithik Roshan phase, your Salman Khan phase, which still is pretty existent, and now you've become my really good friend. We're not just cousins anymore, and I just hope we stay friends forever.
Hi Nehal, I love you this much. Mera Baba, I love you. Happy birthday. Mama's calling.
There's people around and there's technical difficulties. Sorry.
Hello Nehal, happy birthday to you. मेरी हर कदम में तेरे साथ मेरी दुआएं साथ में, हर हमेशा खुश रहे तो यही मेरी दुआ है. मेरा बेटा है तू, समझा, मुझे भूल न जाना मेरे बच्चे. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो तेरे को.
We love you.
We love you, Nehal.
Happy birthday to you.